A very good evening to dear students, their parents, and the guests who are joining us tonight for this event. I am Moshmi Saha, a Kathak teacher, performer, and choreographer, and I welcome you all on the virtual grand finale of Rupantar. Rupantar stands for transition, the transition that has occurred in the learning and performing process of dancers has been a source of inspiration in curating this event. As the whole world suffers from the global pandemic, a lot has changed in the lives of students, artists, dancers, teachers. At the same time, the whole world has been reunited and running through online events, and taking this opportunity, I have taken my first ever initiative of arranging this online workshop series with some of the India's most finest Kathak dancers. The workshop series was for basic and intermediate level, divided in two groups, and it started on the 2nd of August 2020 till 20th of August 2020. Due to this pandemic, our youngsters needed some kind of motivation and stimulation. And August, being the month of summer vacation, I thought of utilizing the morning time to upskill my students and expand their capabilities. I approached some of India's young and dynamic Kathak dancers to teach my students, and I'm so grateful to them that they all agreed to my invite. I'm grateful to Mihika Mukherjee, Krutika Ghanekar, Shikha Sharma, Pankaj Sehag, and my guru brother Abhinav Mukherjee for introducing new techniques and teaching methods to improve the body language of the students and make their dance more finer. Me being a Kathak Kendra pass out was literally drilled during my years of training in the institute. We were lucky enough to attend numerous workshops by legendary gurus and awardees of Sangeet Natak Academy and Padma Vibhushan awardees in the field of music, dance, theatre, stagecraft, makeup, etc. And all these classes used to run along with our regular classes of yoga, vocal music, instrumental music, and Kathak. It helped us tremendously to understand the depth of this form, along with handling the stage, making our dance presentation visually pleasant. Thus, I always wanted to apply this technique to teach my students as well, and Rupantar is the first stepping stone towards the same. What started as a thought to upskill my students became a greater event when I posted the advertisement online. I received overwhelming responses from other Kathak enthusiasts showing interest to join the workshop, but due to limited seats, we couldn't have taken them all to attend the workshop. Thus, it motivated me to conduct an online contest, and we chose three participants who received scholarships to attend the workshop. All in all, it turned out to be a new, fresh, regenerating experience for both me and my students. Let's hear some of the feedbacks of the participants.
I'm so glad and extremely grateful to be able to attend the Rupantar workshop series. It has kept me busy throughout August and so driven and inspired towards Kathak. It has been a really memorable experience, and I'm just really grateful. And I will also be looking forward for more workshops like these in the coming future.
Hi ma'am, Rupantar summer workshop was very good. I was happy to learn many steps from all the teachers.
Namaste. This Rupantar workshop has been a life-changing experience.
Namaste. I would like to give my thanks to Rupantar Dance for arranging such a great workshop.
Thank you all so much. The Rupantar session was so good, fun and enjoyable, and every day we all learned something new.
And I would like to thank my guru, Maushmi Saha ma'am, for providing us this platform to learn and grow. She created the Rupantar series that has helped us to know more about dance. She created the series and has helped us to grow more and get to know so much more about the field of Kathak.
Thank you so much for giving us this learning experience with so many different accomplished Kathak artists. I feel honored to be a part of this great Kathak journey.
I got a chance to meet such amazing Kathak artists who I look up to and who took out their time to teach us. This workshop has been an unbelievable experience and really a blessing. It has helped me understand the beauty of this art and has given me a different perspective on Kathak.
Hi everyone, I would like to thank my most amazing and dedicated teacher Maushmi ma'am for organizing the Kathak summer camp called Rupantar. I would also like to thank the other teachers who taught us new things, and it was an amazing experience. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for putting all the extra efforts to teach me during the Rupantar program. I am very glad to be a part of this. Thank you.
I have been training under Maushmi ma'am for 1 year now. Thank you so much ma'am for arranging such a nice workshop and giving us a chance to learn from the best dancers in India.
Rupantar Kathak workshop has been an amazing experience. It was wonderfully organized by Maushmi ma'am. I am grateful for having you as my mentor. Classes taken by the other instructors were very interesting.
I had a lot of fun in all the workshops organized by none other than our guru, Maushmi ma'am. We got to meet extremely talented Kathak dancers and we got to learn a lot from them.
Talking about Rupantar series, I had a wonderful experience and learned a lot of new things. I would like to thank Maushmi ma'am for organizing Rupantar series and also giving us an opportunity to meet and learn from India's leading Kathak artist. Thank you.
Thank you for giving opportunity from Rupantar workshop.
Rupantar series. This was an extremely informative and enjoyable above all the valuable sessions, and I look forward to practice all the techniques and movements I learned from all the gurus we met in those days. I personally thank my co-learners for your cooperation and making me so comfortable.
मैं आपका तहे दिल से शुक्रिया करना चाहती हूँ कि आपने मुझे रूपांतर सीरीज का हिस्सा बनाया। आपकी वजह से मुझे काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिला यहाँ पे आके।
Namaste, this is Dipanshu from Delhi, and right now I'm falling short of words to thank Maushmi Didi, who presented a very special and exclusive scholarship to me for Rupantar. At Rupantar, we learned from Mihika Didi, Pankaj Bhaiya, Abhinav Bhaiya, Shikha Didi, and Maushmi Didi as well. And I would like to thank all of them for being so interactive and for being so cooperative throughout the session.
I enjoyed and learned a lot from the Rupantar workshop. I loved the style of teaching and the techniques of the presenters. The techniques helped me improve my movements, and thank you Maushmi ma'am for providing us such an opportunity.
Through this workshop, I learned many new tukras, tihais and kavitas from Shikha ma'am, Kritika ma'am and Abhinav sir. Thank you all of you for spending your valuable time in teaching us. Looking forward for many new workshops.
From the bottom of my heart, I thank Maushmi ma'am for arranging this workshop. Kids thoroughly enjoyed learning from young Kathak stalwarts like Mihika ma'am, Kritika ma'am, Shikha ma'am and Abhinav sir. I wish kids inculcate their passion, hard work and dedication and bring many laurels to Maushmi ma'am in her teaching journey.
And I would love to thank my guru Maushmi ma'am for letting this workshop be very fun and letting other Kathak teachers teach us.
Without delaying further, we would start today's show, which is divided into 3 sections. My co-host for this evening is my young and talented dynamic dancer, Miss Afreen Maqsood. Afreen made me proud by bagging first prize in the prestigious Bal Kala Utsav held in Delhi in Kathak in under 12 category. I hope you all enjoy her company tonight.
Good evening, dear guests, my fellow learners, and dear parents. The global pandemic has forced us all to lock ourselves inside of the house. But at the same time, it has given us an amazing opportunity to learn, see, perform, and connect with people at a global level. This show has been curated taking this opportunity, and we have divided it into 3 sections. In the first section, the Rupantar Workshop series, participants will give you a glimpse of what they learned in the past month from our guest teachers from different parts of the globe. In the second section, you will witness some performances of Mausmi Ma'am students which they have learned in the past month during her personal workshops in Qatar. In the third section, we will have a special guest artist joining us from Delhi for a wonderful performance followed by an interview. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy our show tonight. I would request you to stay with us till the end of the program to witness some mesmerizing performances and also to support our young learners and artists. Starting with our first section, we would like you to give a glimpse of what our students learned from the guest teachers. Please take a note that they tried their best to showcase whatever they had learned in a short duration of time, and thus we request you all to ignore their mistakes and shower your blessings upon them to your sweet comments. For our first performance, I would like to invite you all our tiny tots who attended the basic level workshops. Performers are Vaishnavi Singh, Sharwari Hegde, Raksha Chandani, Mehreen Maqsood, Samriddha Das, Payal Ramesh, Nora Abdul Qadir, and Ashita Rao.
Dhin, tha, tha. Dhin, dhin, tha, tha. Tin, tin, ta, ta. Dhin, dhin. दिखाई 1 2 3 4 5 क्लैप 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 क्लैप 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 क्लैप 9 क्लैप 9 क्लैप क्लैप 9 1 2 3 4 5 क्लैप 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 क्लैप 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 क्लैप 9 क्लैप 9 क्लैप क्लैप 9 1 2 3 4 5 क्लैप 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 क्लैप 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 क्लैप 9 क्लैप 9 क्लैप क्लैप stop. A D D da 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 D D da da A D D टुकड़ा ता थे tat आ थे tat थे 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 tat tat ता 1 2 थे थे tat tat 1 tat tat 2 tat tat 3 1 2 थे थे tat tat 1 tat tat 2 tat tat 3 1 2 थे थे tat tat 1 tat tat 2 tat tat thumb A D D da 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 D D da da A D D da दिखाई 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 धा ते धा आ न धा ते धा आ न धा ते धा 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 धा ते धा आ न धा ते धा आ न धा ते धा 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 धा ते धा आ न धा ते धा आ न धा ते धा 2 3 4 आ हे हे ता हे हे आ हे टुकड़ा तत तत हे दिग धा दिग दिग हे तत तत दिग धा तत 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 दिग धा तत 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 दिग धा तत 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 आ हे हे ता हे हे ता आ हे हे परन धित्ताम दग दग धुन तक थो धित्ताम दग दग धुन तक थो तक दिग तक धुन तक जादिगिन धूम लूम तक धुन तक जादिगिन 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 आ हे हे ता हे हे ता आ हे हे दिखाई ता थे थे तत आ थे थे तत ता थे थे तत आ थे थे तत थे ता की तत तक थे ता की तत तक थे ता की तत तक थे ता थे थे तत आ थे थे तत ता थे थे तत आ थे थे तत थे ता की तत तक थे ता की तत तक थे ता की तत तक थे ता थे थे तत आ थे थे तत ता थे थे तत आ थे थे तत थे ता की तत तक थे ता की तत तक थे ता की तत तक ता आ हे हे ता ता हे हे ता आ हे हे मध्यलय धा धिन धिन धा 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 धा धिन धिन कविता चुम चुम छन नन नचत कन्हाई मुरली ले लचक चलत तकत तकत मृग नैनी राधा तकत तकत मृग नैनी राधा नटवर सांवरो नटवर सांवरो नटवर सांव तत तत क्रांति दिग धा दिग दिग 1 दिग धा दिग दिग 2 दिग धा दिग दिग 3 दिग धा दिग दिग 4 दिग धा दिग दिग 5 दिग धा दिग दिग 6 दिग धा दिग दिग 7 दिग धा दिग दिग 8 दिग धा दिग दिग 7 धा धिन धिन ता धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन धा धा धिन धिन ता धिन कविता यमुना के तट पर नचत कन्हैया सत सत हैया बाजत पायल छू छन नन 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 ता थैया थैया ता थैया थैया ता थैया थैया थे
I would like to request you all to give them a virtual round of applause by commenting, as they really did a wonderful job. Our intermediate students learned a lot during the workshop series, and presenting all of which would have been difficult due to a lack of time. Thus tonight they are presenting a Tumri, which is a vocal genre or style of Hindustani classical music, composed by the legendary Guru Pandit Birju Maharaj Ji and taught to them by Miss Shikha Sharma. The performers are Vasundhara Singh, myself Afreen Maqsood, Ashwika Bolar, Arohi Atalwale, Mishti Ahluwalia, Sana Thakur, Dia Talreja, Sia Saxena, Krishna Gurani, Mugda Godbole, Kritika Gurala, Dipanshu and Shruti Sri Kumar.
श्याम लचक चले मुकुट धरे आवत 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 श्याम लचक चले मुकुट धरे मोरली ऐसी बजी सबके मन को हरे मुरली ऐसी बजी सबके मन को हरे मुरली ऐसी बजी सबके मन को हरे आवत श्याम लचक चले मुकुट धरे आवत श्याम आवत श्याम आवत श्याम आवत श्याम आवत श्याम लचक चले मुकुट धरे आवत श्याम ओझे कत जिजक झूम झुक चालत ओझे कत जिजक झूम झुक चालत मद मतवार नैन बिंदा कहत मद मतवारे नैन बिंदा कहत सखी मन वार डरू आवत श्याम आवत श्याम आवत श्याम।
Wow, that was a wonderful performance considering the fact that they learned it only in one class. Moving ahead to our second section, which includes some presentations choreographed and taught by Mousmi ma'am during her workshop sessions. First of which is an invocation to Lord Ganesha, followed by some technical dance in Teen Tal Dritlay composed by Guru Srimati Geetanjali Lal ji. The performers are Krishna Grani, Shruti Shri Kumar, Vedika Menon, Diya Talreja and Kritika Gurala.
नमामि विघ्नराजतम् कल्पवृक्षतलस्थितम् उमापुत्र महाकाय दन्तिकम् नृत्यकोविदम् गणानां गणपति गणेश लंबोदर सोहे पूजाचार एकदंत चंद्रमा ललाट राजे ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश ताल दे ध्रुपद गावे अति विचित्र गणनाथ आज मृदंग बजावे धन धयान धन धन प्रधान दिन 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 नग 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 धन धन दिन 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 ताकि नन ताकि गण जिगटी गति नग दिन नग प्रधान धन धयान 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 तांडव प्रिय पुत्राय तांडव प्रिय रूपेण नमो चिंतामणि नित्यम् शुद्ध बुद्धि प्रदायकम् शुद्ध बुद्धि प्रदायकम् शुद्ध बुद्धि
sure you all enjoyed it. Keep commenting and sharing your love upon our performers. Our next performance features some young students of Mausmi Ma'am who have been learning Kathak from her for the past 1 to 2 years on a famous Indian raga composition that you might have heard before called the Trapadam. It has some pure technical rhythmic compositions of Kathak like Parans and Parmalus. Participants are Nora Abdul Qadir, Mehreen Maqsood and myself, Afreen Maqsood.
धर्री कुकु तक तक जनक जनक तकता जनक जनक तकता जनक जनक तकता दिशकिट दिलांग दुमकिट दादा दुमकिट दादा दुमकिट दादा धाता था धरकिट 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 तक धरकिट दादा 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 धागिट तक दुमकिट तकता धागिट तक गदिगिन धागिट तक दुमकिट तकता गिनतरान दादा दित्ताता धागिट तक दुमकिट तकता धरकिट तक धागिट तक गदिगिन धागिट तक दुमकिट तकता जिसकिट दादा दित तान कदित तान बात दिकिट तान तकिट धदक दित दागता दात दित सागता धाकृदान 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 धागिट तक दुमकिट तकता धागिट तक गदिगिन धागिट तक दुमकिट तकता गिनतरान दादा दित्ताता धागिट तक दुमकिट तकता धरकिट तक धागिट तक गदिगिन धागिट तक दुमकिट तकता जिसकिट दादा धान था धागे था का था गे था ताकि 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 ता ता था
Hope you all enjoyed our performance. Our next performance is a Madhurashtakam, which is a bhajan written by Sri Vallabhacharya and composed by the legendary Kathak maestro Pandit Birju Maharaj Ji. The Madhurashtakam deals with the qualities and deeds of Lord Krishna, all of which have been conceptualized being dipped in madhu, meaning honey or nectar. In the eyes of the devotee, everything that pertains to the Lord is sweet and graceful, He being the Lord of sweetness. It includes many qualities associated with Krishna like flute, cow, river Yamuna, gopis and Krishna's childhood stories like playing ball with his friends, stealing butter, etc. Performers are Vasundhara Singh, Pooja Ramesh, Payal Ramesh, Sia Saxena. Hope you enjoy the performance.
अधुरं मधुरं वदनं मधुरं नैनं मधुरं हसितं मधुरम् अधरं मधुरं वदनं मधुरं नयनं मधुरं हसितं मधुरम् अधरं मधुरं वदनं मधुरं नयनं मधुरं हसितं मधुरम् हृदयं मधुरं गमनं मधुरं हृदयं मधुरं गमनं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम् गीतं मधुरं गीतं मधुरं पीतं मधुरं पीतं मधुरं भुक्तं मधुरं भुक्तं मधुरं सुप्तं मधुरं सुप्तं मधुरम् रूपं मधुरं रूपं मधुरं तिलकं मधुरं तिलकं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम् गोपा मधुरा गोपा मधुरा गा मधुरा गा मधुरा यष्टिर्मधुरा सृष्टिर्मधुरा सृष्टिर्मधुरा दलितं मधुरं दलितं मधुरं हरितं मधुरं हरितं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरं मधुराधिपतेरखिलं मधुरम्
enchanting performance. I request you all to shower your love and blessings to commence, as we cannot physically say a response. Our next performance is a display of some Kathak hastaks, which are hand and body movements by the tiny tots of Mousmi Ma'am. They are young, 6 and 7 respectively. Please shower your blessings on them as they have just started their journey. Performers are Sharwari Hegde, Raksha Chandni, Vaishnavi Singh. What a sweet and beautiful performance that was. Kathak is a dance form that needs years of training, hard work and dedication. And the more regular and dedicated you are, the more graceful you become. Our next performance features some senior students who have been learning from Mousmi Ma'am for the past 2.5 years. They are going to present the choreography based on the song Paella, which is a beautiful composition from the album Atma Bomb by Ravi Shankar Collective. Performers are Mishti Ahluwalia, Ashwika Bolar and Mahalakshmi Rajiv.
Hey
पायलिया चनन चनन बाजे पिया सन आज नयन वागे सचित गिनता चनन चनन बाजे पिया सन आज नयन वागे सुनरी सखी मन व्याकुल होवे सुनरी सखी मन व्याकुल होवे देखल जिया चैन न पावे पायलिया चनन चनन बाजे पिया सन आज नयन वागे जोगनिया भई आंगन तोरे निस दिन हर सूरन न भावे पायलिया Sani da pamaga sani da pama gama pama gama ga sani da gama pama gama veni sa gama veni sa gama veni sa de
That was an amazing and energetic performance and really inspiring too. Hope you enjoyed these wonderful performances by my fellow Kathak learners. For our third section of the show, I would like to invite Mausmi ma'am to further head the program. Hope you all enjoyed my company. Please stay with us a little more longer and don't miss the amazing performer coming ahead. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Afreen. You were an excellent host. Moving on to the third section of the show, we have a very young and special guest artist joining us tonight for a special performance. Her name is Vritti Gujral. Vritti is just 14 years old. She is a talented and passionate Kathak dancer who started learning Kathak from the tender age of 6, under the guidance of Kathak exponent Shri Barun Banerjee from Lucknow Gharana. Vritti has justified her title of Kathak Prodigy by receiving Global Child Prodigy Awards 2020 in the category of dance. Vritti is selected amongst the top 100 child prodigies across the world for her exceptional talent in the field of Kathak. She has also been awarded National Scholarship in Kathak from Center of Culture, Resource and Training, Culture Ministry of India. She has also given solo performances on National Television of India, Doordarshan, and in many prestigious festivals across the globe. Besides giving mesmerizing performances, Vritti has won numerous competitions at national, state and zonal level. Her work has been revered by Kathak maestros nationwide. Vritti is extremely proud of her cultural heritage and wishes to become a world-class dancer so that she can take this legacy forward, create awareness about the classical art amongst her generation, and spread the beauty of Indian art and culture worldwide. Please welcome our special guest for tonight, Ms. Vritti Gujral.
Namaskar everyone. It's my pleasure to connect with you all today. I'm very thankful to Mausmi Saha ma'am and Kathak Kala Institute for giving me this great opportunity to perform in front of you all. With the blessings of my Guru, Shri Barun Banerjee, I would like to begin with my first performance, Ardhanarishwar. Ardhanarishwar means half woman and half Lord. It conveys that Shiv and Shakti are one and the same. This divine form is beautifully described by Padma Vibhushan Pandit Birju Maharaj. This song is composed and sung by him, and it is choreographed by my Guru Shri Barun Banerjee. It is in Tivrital and Rag Mishra Hansadhwani. So present in front of you all, Ardhanarishwar.
डमरो डिमक डिम कर लो हे डमरो डिमक डिम कर लो हे डमरो डिमक डिम कर लो हे डमरो डिमक डिम
I hope you all liked my performance. Now my next performance in front of you all is technical piece of Kathak, Teen Tal Dhrutlay. It is composed by my guru Shri Paramant. So present in front of you all, Teen Tal Dhrutlay. performance of Shuddh Nritya and Abhinay. Now I am going to present a dance that is very close to my heart because it was the first dance I choreographed on my own. During this pandemic, while I was watching Mahabharat, I fell in love with its title song and I wanted to prepare a dance on it. So when I choreographed it, I sent it to my Guruji and he told me where to improvise and gave me permission to make it public. So that's how this dance came into existence. So presenting in front of you all, Mahabharat. I hope you all like it. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I hope you like my performance.
My god, that was an amazing performance, Rithi. I had goosebumps seeing your performance. I'm sure you all also were greatly moved by her enthralling performance and have a lot of questions in your mind right now. So let me take this opportunity and invite this amazing performer for a very short interview. Rithi, first of all, thank you so much for this beautiful performance. I'm really grateful to you, your mother, and your guru Barunda for accepting my request to perform for Kathakale. Your performance was outstanding, and I'm sure my students are all also more inspired to see your performance tonight. Every piece was so well danced that I didn't feel like you were still learning. I felt as if I'm watching a professional dancer perform. You have equal command over lay, tal, footwork, spins. Every single piece was flawlessly performed. I like the Murli ki gat that you did and your sudden change in expressions in the Mahabharata Abhinay. I have always been a fan of your dedication and enthusiasm, and the way you choreographed, my god. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming and doing this performance for us. One of the main purposes of inviting you tonight was to inspire the young generation of Kathak enthusiasts who have just begun their journey. So, I would like to ask you a few questions that might help my students relate with them and also help them in their future. So, first of all, why did you start learning Kathak?
First of all, thank you so much, ma'am, for your generous words. It is really kind of you to call me as an inspiration for these young Kathak enthusiasts. I'm really glad if my experience can help them in any way. So, I was 6 years old when I started learning Kathak. My mom was really keen to put me in extracurricular activities. So when I was 6, she took me to an institute where they gave me 3 classes: Western, Instrumental and Kathak. During Kathak class, I got really inclined towards ghungroos. I was fascinated by the melodies they produced when I tied them to my feet. And after that day, I was after my mom to make me join Kathak class. So she took me to my guru, Shri Bharat Banerjee, and I started formal training in Kathak. That's how my Kathak journey began.
The age of 6 is indeed a very good age to start, Riddhi. So, if you had to talk about a time dance helped you deal with something in your life, what would you share with us?
Dance is not just about creativity. It's about building up your personality, being a better person. To me, when I dance, I relieve all of my emotions and I get calm and happy. For example, we can take this pandemic where we can't go out, we can't meet our friends, we can't go to dance classes, we can't go to school. Everybody's frustrated, everybody's unhappy, unsatisfied. But I was happy, I was cheerful, I was positive because I was dancing. Dancing keeps me positive from all the gloominess in my environment.
Indeed, dancing always keeps you motivated and positive. Priti, did it ever get a bit difficult to manage your studies and intense pressure of practice? What would be your tip for staying motivated?
Yes, it gets difficult at times, but if you keep on dancing regularly and also manage your studies, then it gets relatively easier, and you can create a balance gets created. Then everything can run smoothly. And what keeps me motivated is my Guruji's appreciation. I work really hard, I practice, I improve my mistakes so that when I perform, he would be proud of me and he would be happy. The other thing that keeps me motivated is that when I perform on stage, people cheer, people clap. That really motivates me and boosts my energy, and so that I can perform even better next time and give my best.
Very well answered, Riddhi. What does Guru Shishya Parampara mean to you, and how important it is to adhere to it at the present times?
Guru Shishya Parampara is one of the most important things in Indian culture. Who's a guru? A guru is a person who brings out the best in you. And even if a person has talent and not a guru, then that talent's a waste because there's no one to show them the right path. So, according to me, the Guru Shishya Parampara is having gratitude towards your guru, having respect towards them, being thankful to them. Because what you can learn from your guru, you can't learn from anyone. It's not in libraries, it's not on internet, it's nowhere. So you learn from their experience, you learn from their journey. And at present times, where people are materialistic, they're practical, I think Guru Shishya Parampara or the respect for gurus is getting lost. If a mother gives birth, then a guru gives life. A guru makes you who you are. And if you can't respect the person who gave you such a beautiful art form you're doing now, then how can that art form respect you? Please respect your guru. Be thankful to them for what they have given you. Because that thing is what makes you special.
Oh, Vritti, so beautifully answered. Indeed, it is very, very important to respect your guru first, because whatever you are now is all because of them. How hard it is to stay away from peer pressure, Vritti. These days, social media and Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all these take away the focus from Kathak. So how hard is it for you to stay focused on Kathak?
With all due respect for other dance forms, I believe that classical dance forms are one of the most difficult dance forms to learn. You require stability, you require discipline, you require patience, determination, hard work. And if you can learn classical dance form, then you can learn any dance form, because you get the knowledge of beats. You can pick up beats of any song, any tune, any rhythm. And when it comes to peer pressure and social media influence, people who get misguided have short-lived and short-sighted success. That success has an expiry date. But the success in classical dance forms does not have an expiry date. It gets more beautiful by passing day. And to share one of my own experiences, when I went to gala ceremony of Global Child Prodigy Awards, I met this foreign girl who was a DJ from Ghana, and she also got that award in that ceremony. She was so excited about the mudras she saw at our airport. She was so fascinated about our Indian mythology and our culture, and she wanted to know everything at that moment. And then at that moment, I was so happy and so proud of our Indian culture, of our classical dance forms, of Kathak, that it strengthened my focus more towards Kathak.
Yes, I agree with you. Vritti, these days kids learn a little bit and then they start choreographing on their own without asking the permission of their guru, or they feel that they have learned enough to choreograph. So I would like to ask you, how important is it to build your base first to start to innovate and choreograph on your own? Did you ask your guru when you first started choreographing, or you surprised him?
If the base is not strong, then no matter how tall be the building, it will eventually fall. So if you don't have knowledge, or if you don't know the basic of a thing, then how can you choreograph? For example, let's take Kathak. If you don't have the knowledge of beats, if you don't know the basic tals, if you don't know basic footwork, then how can you innovate? How can you choreograph? In order to innovate or choreograph, you first have to have the basic sound knowledge of that thing. And when it comes to my Guruji, it was no surprise, because he always encouraged us to make something new, to think out of the box. And whenever he teaches us some choreography, he always asks for our inputs so that we can learn more, so that we can learn from our dance form and we can relate to it.
Vritti, I'm always fascinated by the way you choreograph, and I also tell my students that you should go ahead and whatever comes in your mind, you should just let it out. So, but they are always, they have this pressure from the social media or from the elders that they'll be judged. So, Has anyone ever said to you that you are too young to choreograph? What would you tell other dancers who are talented and want to express themselves but are afraid because of judgment from others?
To answer your question, ma'am, no one has ever told me that. And with all due respect, I don't think I'm choreographing right now. Because I think that choreography is far more vast and deep. And what I'm doing is, I'm just giving movements to these 2 minutes songs. So, I guess I'm just still learning right now how to choreograph. And the advice I would like to give to my fellow young dancers is that you should not be afraid or intimidated. See, dance is really subjective. Somebody likes fast, somebody likes slow dance. Somebody likes Abhinay, so someone likes technical. So you can't be afraid from everyone. But the thing is, you always have to abide by rules. Even if someone does not like your dance, then it's fine. It doesn't mean that you are a bad dancer. It just means that they have a different taste. If someone will not, then the other might. And you have to practice and improve every day. Practice, show it to your Guruji, ask for improvements, improvise. The world is a stage.
Yes, indeed. Approval from your guru and her support or his support is the most important thing that you should look about. And whatever people think about you is not your problem. So, Priti, what's your dream for your future?
I want to be a professional dancer. I want to travel the world showcasing the beauty of Indian culture through this magnificent art form.
I will pray to God that your dream comes true soon and you are already on that path. So all the best to you for your future. Priti, what message would you like to give the dancers of this generation or those who are pursuing Kathak now?
The message I would like to give it to my fellow young dancers is that, first of all, never be misguided or misled by social media influence. Because as I said, the success can be short-sighted and short-lived, but what you have here will last forever. Second thing is, you should give this dance form time. Because if you think that you'll be an expert in a month or two, then that's not possible. This dance form needs years and years of practice, dedication, hard work, and believe me, the results are beautiful and worth it. And third and most important thing of all is that if you are learning Kathak, then you should never be intimidated, because not everyone can be a dancer. Not everyone can be a classical dancer. And if you are, then believe me, you are special. So keep your spirits high and keep on dancing.
Thank you so much, Priti, for joining us tonight. It was a pleasure interacting with you. I hope this interview will be helpful more for my students and that they will take you as a source of inspiration and a role model, and will now think of dividing their time equally to riyaz and studies. Thank you so much. May God bless you with the good health and all the success in your life.
It's entirely my pleasure to be a part of this amazing program today. Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this great opportunity to connect with these young dancers. And thank you so much, you all, for being a patient audience. Namaskar.
So, with that, our program comes to an end today. I hope you all enjoyed today's show and all the 3 sections. I would like to conclude today's program by this little message to my students and their parents. At this high-tech age, it is very difficult to not fall under peer pressure and choose an art form that is so divine because learning Kathak is not a crash course. It takes time, hard work, stability, a lot of patience and dedication. It demands a lot of strength, both physically and mentally. And if you have chosen it, make sure you include it in your life like your shadow. Life will throw a lot of challenges, obstacles, obstructions to check your devotion towards Kathak. But I promise you, if you make it a part of your life, it will never leave you, like it never left me. If you devote time now, you will reap the fruits later. To the dear parents, I would like to say, thank you for choosing Kathak, and thank you for choosing me as their teacher. And thank you for being so supportive to them and to let them follow their passion. All of them are blessed because the knowledge of rhythm is given by the Almighty, and it is only given to the chosen ones. And no one can teach them that. They are already born with it. Keep supporting the kids in this journey and they will make you proud one day. Also, thank you for all the support that you have extended to make this show a success. Without your support, me and my students wouldn't have been able to do this. Continue to be so patient and keep faith in this ancient Indian art form. Thank you, dear audience, for being so patient and staying with us till the end. I hope you are taking something in your memories from today's program. Good night. God bless you all.